eNeuro, an open-access journal from the Society for Neuroscience committed to scientific excellence and with a high-quality, modern publishing experience that advances the field of neuroscience.
We first submitted the paper, and it was a different experience for us because it was a double-blind.
The double-blind, I don't think too many journals do. The real goal is to eliminate any kind of implicit bias. We all try to be as fair and transparent as possible.
But one of the things that was very refreshing when I submitted this paper was knowing that I would not be judged on who I was. I'm not sure that as a young investigator I would have been given the same consideration as a more senior investigator would have been given. I think that as I was writing this, I was very much cognizant of the fact that I could say things because I was anonymous that I would have been afraid to under different circumstances. And I don't know whether that influenced the decision or not, but it was nice to know that I was being judged just on my science instead of on my name.
In addition to the changes in the review process, another kind of focus of eNeuro is to allow other types of articles to be published. So these include things like negative results. As a scientist, we all get negative results, and sometimes that's an important finding, and it is difficult to publish those because it's hard to convince other journals of their novelty or importance. So having a venue for that, I think, is really important for the field.
It lets people who maybe have contradictory data or negative data get their work out there, because negative results save a lot of time and money and help other people out.
eNeuro is happy to publish null results, which is something that we don't see often, but it's required when you try to replicate a finding, to prove a theory, and you just didn't get results. But the results are conclusive in the sense that they show that something is not true or something is not replicable. So eNeuro is a good platform to publish these types of results.
eNeuro welcomes research that is out of the box, whether it be confirmatory results or negative results or methods, or just simply a style of paper that's a little bit different.
One of the big messages that Christophe gave us at the outset was, if we think this paper is complete and standalone, push it forward, get it out there, because we're not doing anyone any favors asking them to do 2-3 years more research.
The goal is to publish sound science, but not to worry too much like some of the higher profile journals about the groundbreaking nature of the work. We just want really good science that's well done and needs to be reported to the field.